Hello everyone, I am Gayatri Mori and today we are at the 19th edition of Pune International Film Festival. I have with me Siddharth sir and Neha ma'am. So I would like to ask you, how was your experience about this movie being screened here today at PIF?
The feeling is the same every single time. Obviously, all the more special because it's at PIF. But the fact that it's screening gives you jitters, makes you nervous. You don't know how the audience is going to take it. If it's going to laugh at the right punches, if it's going to cry with you, if it's going to laugh with you. So I think that anticipation always gives any actor jitters, and that's exactly how I'm feeling right now. Like we are talking right now, the film is playing inside, and I really don't know how the film is being received.
Waiting for the reaction.
Waiting for the reaction. So just hope and pray it all goes well.
Surely. So what was one memory of the film that still itched in your heart?
Of the film?
Yeah, while shooting the film.
Oh my god, it's so difficult to pick out, yeah. Neha will agree with me because, if you've seen the film, there's so many of those scenes which we thought that we could not or would not be able to pull off. So every day we would, the memory is of every day evening after pack up, when we would go to our hotel rooms and say ki the majority of the film is over, and then you get the call sheet and you're like, no, there's another mountain to climb. So that is the memory that we have from this film. But
I think if I could be, if you ask me this question, I'll say the entire film. For me, the making process is a memory because the kind of prep that I have done for this film, the kind of involvement that I've had as an actor, the kind of nervousness that don't go on his nervousness. He's a very shut up. But he's done this kind of what you call this approach. Shut up. You've had this kind of approach in your, but I have not had this kind of approach. Listen, hello.
Okay.
So yeah, I guess the entire film is a memory for
So
me.
you would say this was a different kind of film, something that you have not done before this?
Of course, absolutely. I mean, people know me more as a beautiful girl. People probably know me more as a entertainer or a an actor who can dance. But they haven't truly seen what I can be as an actor. And this film truly explores that part in me. And that part doesn't come easy. You have to really work towards it. So I think that process is what I have experienced for the first time.
So I would say that ma'am is kind of agreeing on this thing that you have actually acted in films like this before. What's your say on that?
No. See, okay, I'll give you that I've worked in similar setups, more riskier setups where there's a lot at stake. Where we have to finish. It's the process. Yeah. So I've been on stage a lot, and we're in PIF here. So this is the place where it all started for me. The intercollegiate competitions and doing all those workshops and really going so experimental that sometimes the audience have to come and say, I didn't understand your play, can you please? So, somewhere I think what she means is there's a part of your mind which is open and you're kind of initiated. But apart from that, a film is a new film and a process is a new process, and even if you're revisiting it, it's not a very comfortable one.
Yeah, I agree with that one. I agree.
So, and
Especially with a film like June.
Exactly.
It's not comfortable to revisit.
But I think what worked is all of us in the team, not only me and Neha, we've all come from varied backgrounds, and I feel we all had a part of ourselves which had not been exposed in this way, on a very large scale. And so we all had that fire. And you're in MIT, right? So we had, if I may say so, we had that college in fire. I felt that after a long time. We have to, you really
pushing boundaries.
Yeah, really pushing boundaries and not caring.
Yeah.
And that sort of.
No inhibitions, nothing at all.
Yeah, that sort of. So I think when surrender happens, magic happens.
And so also one more thing, all the audience, they have a different type of perspective when they're watching a movie. What is one perspective that you would like to tell all the audience to have while they go to watch this particular movie of yours?
No, I think, those who will watch this film, I think cinegoers are very, they know why they want to watch a certain film. I won't tell them anything. What I have confidence in is that what we've created will pull you in. Later on, you can like the film, not like the film. That's a subjective matter, and that they will decide for themselves. But I have faith in the film, the writing, and the team that it will pull you and it will hold you there. And I can say this because I mean this is not our first rodeo. We've been to IFFI. The full film is out on Planet Marathi OTT, and the kind of feedback we've been getting. So somewhere on that part, I'm a little confident, and I don't think we should tell anybody what state of mind. They will always go with 10 things running in their head. It's up to the film to grip or not grip. That's
And ma'am, sir, this is a particularly, a special question because after the COVID, this is the first film festival that's happening. So how has the experience been here till now?
No, like I said, we were just introducing the film to the audiences, and like Siddharth very nicely put, he said to see a theatre filled with people, of course with 50% capacity, that itself, and for your film, that itself is such a high because the insecurity is so strong. Will people come? Will people not come? Irrespective of the fact how the film is, because obviously the scare is for real. And I think this is the beauty of PIF. This is the beauty of people who especially come for a festival like this because they are hardcore cinema lovers, hardcore good film lovers, critics. And they are here to appreciate, they are here to, they are well exposed audience, and they are just here for the love of it. So this is the biggest, what you call, what? Proof.
yeah, proof.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Because we see honestly, this PIF got canned and now it's happening again. So for us, it was a kind of dent, कि अरे the selection happened but the screening didn't happen. Okay, it's okay, and then this happened and it's happening now. So it's
Actually able to experience it here today.
absolutely yeah.
And I mean, you're trying to do a good film. Then B, you achieve to do that film that you had envisioned. Then you get selected in a place like PIF. I mean, these are all the right tick marks when you are doing a film. Yeah. And to not experience that because of something like a pandemic is such a downer.
Yeah, such a downer.
And we are very happy that PIF has gone ahead and given this honor to the last year film, people. It's an honor.
People who were selected last year.
It's also kind of a tribute.
Yeah. So I think that's very thoughtful of PIF.
Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. I wish you all the best for your film, and I'm sure that already the audience was full. I mean, people were waiting outside in 2 lines. They wanted to enter the theatre so badly. Thank you, sir. Surely we'll be there. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, sir, can I have
नमस्कार, मी वेदांती आणि आज आपण आहोत पुण्यातल्या 19व्या इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवलमध्ये अँड वी आर स्पीकिंग टू सिद्धांत मेनन अँड नेहा पेंडसे. वी आर सो हॅपी टू हॅव यू सर अँड मॅम. सो ॲज इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स मला तुम्हाला प्रश्न विचारायचा होता की तुम्ही ॲज इंडिव्हिज्युअल पर्सनली ह्या कॅरेक्टरला कसं आणि किती कनेक्ट करता.
माझ्याकरता कनेक्ट करणं खूपच कठीण होतं, कारण ही व्यक्ती किंवा ही मुलगी ज्या ट्रॉमामधनं जात होती किंवा ज्या घटनांमधनं जात होती किंवा तिचं जे बॅकग्राऊंड आहे, अपब्रिंगिंग आहे, थॉट प्रोसेस आहे, ते माझ्यापेक्षा खूपच वेगळं आहे. अप्रोच वेगळा आहे, सगळंच वेगळं आहे. म्हणून स्वतःच्या कॅरेक्टरच्या अगदीच अपोजिट जाऊन मला तिला आत्मसात करावं लागलं. So it was very difficult, and but I guess that's what doing a great film is all about, that you really push your boundaries. And I believe I've done a good job.
नाही, माझ्यासाठी ते 2 टायर होता असं मला वाटतं. कारण माझ्या कॅरेक्टरचा जो राग आहे तो मला समजत होता, पण तो त्याची जी अपब्रिंगिंग आहे तो औरंगाबादचा आहे. आणि खरंच फ्रॉम दिस फिल्म आय हॅव रिअलाइज दॅट लाईफ इन औरंगाबाद अँड लाईफ इन पुणे इज व्हेरी डिफरंट. आणि म्हणजे मी ते गृहीत धरत होतो, पण जसं आम्ही वर्कशॉप्स करत होतो कळत होतं की हे वेगळं आहे काहीतरी. मला असं वाटलं होतं की मला कळतं आहे, पण ॲक्च्युली मला नव्हतं कळत. ते असं एक काहीतरी त्यातलं एक मिश्रण होतं. बट इट वॉज आय एम व्हेरी व्हेरी हॅपी. आय एम ग्लॅड फॉर अन ॲक्टर. ॲज शी सेड, इट्स अ प्रिव्हिलेज. म्हणजे आपण जे आयुष्यात पाहिलं आहे आणि एक्सपिरियन्स केले ते सोडून आपण दुसरं काहीतरी इम्बाईब करतो आणि एका वेगळ्याच व्यक्तीला समजून घेतो. मग ह्याच्यात हिलिंगच होतं एका अर्थी. म्हणजे कॅरेक्टरचं तर झालंच आहे, पण माझंसुद्धा झालं इन द प्रोसेस.
पिफला एका वर्डमध्ये डिस्क्राईब करायचं असेल तर काय म्हणाल?
होम दिस इज माय होम. पिफ म्हणजे इथेच तर सगळी पाहिली फिल्म्स. कॉलेजमध्ये असताना इथे नाटक केलं, इथे स्वप्न पाहिली आणि आता आपलं एक सिनेमा इथे आहे. इट्स
For me, it will be achievement. If you are here, you are here to represent your film, it's an achievement. And it's an achievement that I wanted since a long time. So I'm very happy.
थँक्यू सो मच मॅम. सर तुमच्याशी बोलून खूप छान वाटलं. थँक्यू.